Maribel, and I am coming to you with another Tuesday morning haul. First, I want to apologize for the lighting. It is nighttime here. I believe it's 8 o'clock, and so the lighting is not good. But I want to go ahead and film this so that way you can see it as right away. So let me show you my goodies. Now my Tuesday morning is closing, and I went with the sole purpose of getting this one thing that I had saw the last time that I was there. So let me show you that first. So this is by, I think it's We Are Memory Keepers. Yes, We Are Memory Keepers. And you can punch out these little Polaroid frames, depending on how you move the board or how you move the pieces. So, and I believe these are all the different types of frames that you can make. So I'm really excited about that. It was $11.99, but everything in the store is 20% off. So the prices that you see, because everything is on clearance, they're priced to go. It was $11.99, 20% off that. So I'm really excited. Normally it goes for $24.99. So really excited because this is what I had went in there for. And like normally when I go into scrapbook store, I come out with way more than what I intended to go out for. But with 20% off. And I was really surprised at how much I found because, the store is closing. And so I expected, because it's been closing now for a couple of weeks or a few weeks. And I wasn't expecting as much stuff as I found. But let me show you. Now, some of this stuff is I already had, but I, had to pick up some more because why not if it's 20% off. So this is by Maggie Holmes, and it's Heritage. I already have these, but they're really, really cute butterfly embellishments. And I don't know if you can see that gold in the lighting. But $2.99, 20% off. And then I also got, these are Maggie Holmes. Now this was new for me. I hadn't seen this before. But really, really cute. $2.99, 20% off. And you have the bows and the buttons. So this is actually new for me. Then I found these here for $1.49. And it says themed. But I'm not too sure, like, what the theme is, because it doesn't say, like, doesn't say what the theme is. Okay, they're going to make it difficult for me to open. So I was just kind of curious as to what the theme is. This one looks like it's been opened because they have it taped. Oh, so it looks like it might be like a marine water kind of themed. Oh yeah, here's some water. So it's cute. I'm not going to take them all out. But you float my boat. So yeah, so it looks like this is all has to do with travel or water. You have an anchor. And they're really thinned papers, like a vellum, a patterned vellum. So really cute. $1.49. And again, got 20% off, so I'm really excited about that. And that was by Recollections, 51 pieces. Then this was also new to me, $1.99. Now you get 6 sheets. And I thought this might be good for like my 4th of July scrapbook pages. There's 72. They call them as labels, but I think it would be neat as an embellishment. You could put something in the middle there, or you can just put the date. or a little bit of journaling in there. Really cute. And all 6 pages are exactly the same. This is by Pebbles. Really cute. And it's red, white, and blue. Okay, and then this is also new to me. $4.99 with 20% off. And they are stamps. So this is love you. I want you to know how amazing you are. Best ever. And I think it says one of a kind. And then that's a bow and a swan. And these dies come with it. I was just, like, I saw this, I was like, how could I not have seen this before? I'm wondering if this is something new that must have come in the couple of weeks that I hadn't gone to Tuesday morning. But this is by Heritage. This is new to me. I haven't seen it. But really cute. You could, cut these dies out on colored paper and then stamp on top like these samples there. Really cute. Normally they go at the store for $12.99. But at Tuesday morning they're $4.99. Then I got a couple of more stamps. This is by Bill Bunny, and this is called Dreamer. And so you have a stamp that says Dreamer. I want to say that says Imagine. It could be imagining. A bike, a clock, some balloons. We've been doing a lot of biking during the COVID, so I definitely can use that one. And about how time is, for some of us going by really slow, and other times it's going by fast. So I could definitely use this. And for $2.99, couldn't pass that up, especially with the sale. And then this is food. I've been doing a lot of baking with my kids. And a lot of more family meals since the COVID. So definitely can use this. I thought it was really, really good for $2.99. And these two were new at my store. At least I had not seen them. So I did get a lot of things that were new to me because maybe because I haven't been there for a couple of weeks. I've been making a lot of stamps. A lot of cards. So I bought some envelopes for them. So these are $2.99, and they have a bronze lining. Oh, and it says copper here. So there's 24 envelopes in there. And this one is letterpress envelopes. $2.99. And then these are the actual cards that go for these envelopes. And these are $1.99. So really excited about that because I've been making a lot of cards lately. Then I got some stuff that I already had, but of course I couldn't pass up. This is Maggie Holmes. This is the Heritage, I believe. Stickers. Really cute. I have the paper for this. If you don't already have this, don't walk, run to your Tuesday morning because Maggie Holmes has the cutest stuff. And it also goes really fast. But she's got embellishments and papers and stuff to go with all of her stuff. So for $1.99, can pass that up. This one as well is Maggie Holmes. And I can't remember what this is also Heritage. Really cute, $1.99. Now, I would have got all of them that I saw had there been more, but there was only one of each of these. And of course, I had to pick them up. Oh, I love the cameras and the houses. Look at that bird. Really cute. And then I saw these Sun-Kissed. This is from Sunny Days, Maggie Holmes. Really cute. And these, I believe I got the last 2 at my store. There could have been more, but I don't think so. Really cute. I have the paper that goes with it. Really cute. Then, of course, I had to get some of these thickers. They have a pink tone to them, but they're gold. So $2.49. Got both of them. Then I got 2 more of these. These are also Sunny Days. They are cardstock chipboard stickers for $2.99. Really cute. I believe it's just one, yeah. And there's apparently, how many pieces in here? 51. And you know what? For me, I should give you a little tip. I like to put mine on with some hot glue because sometimes these, the chipboard is so thick, so heavy that it doesn't stay with just the adhesive that's already on there. So for me personally, I like to use hot glue. I like these so much that I got 2 of them. It's really a good, summertime, but it can also be used for spring or just, everyday type of thing. Then I saw these as well. Now, I don't remember seeing these before. These have more of a, they kind of remind me of Maggie Holmes kind of colors as well. So I thought they would, the colors match. So that means they would match the paper. So I had to get it. Really cute. It comes with paper clips and all that. I always like to open it up. I can't wait till I get home to open things up. Okay, so let me show you what's in here. So you get your cards, but look at these paper clips. That's cute. Yeah, those colors, you got the yellow, the teal, and the pink, and the orange. And then some more cards. Seriously. My son says that all the time. I'll tell him, go throw out the trash. He'll say, seriously? Yeah, seriously. Anyways, that's what I got for my Tuesday morning. That's probably going to be the last time that I go to that Tuesday morning because they are closing down and there really wasn't a whole lot left of the scrapbooking in the scrapbooking department. Again, this was called Celebrate by Becky Higgins, Project Life. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. If you like it, go ahead and press like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay safe.